I'm an email person too. I met Ann years ago when I read her Renegade book and started getting emails. And a few years ago, I got some more emails from her. I thought, oh, I need to look at this, and I did read the email. And it was perfect timing because my wife had just immigrated to America, and she was wanting something to do. And so I thought this could be good for her. And the more I got into it, this would be good for us. And it has been about 2.5 years. And I've been to a couple workshops. This may be the third. Couldn't always work in my schedule. But we've done real good in the last couple of years. Probably 6 digits gross and doing retail and books. This year on track to keep up that. Net profit is usually about 25 to 30%. So been good. And this year I've learned a lot from Danita and Tim today. I'm going to fine tune my skills a little bit. I read, I skip some of the details occasionally and go right to the do it. And now I'm going to go back and look at some of the details, Danita. Some good points. Saved me some money and some frustrations, and looking forward to what we're going to see tomorrow, the next day.
Thank you. Yeah.